It's a new 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid. Honda's flagship car isn't just a vehicle, it's a legacy. And as a hybrid, the legacy includes a cleaner planet. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and LED low and high beam headlights. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.